everyone, welcome back to my Science and Sick YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making colorful milk, but with a twist. We're going to be using my sister's adorable soft toys, Bebe and Yummy, to be making the colorful milk. So now they're going to introduce the ingredients.
Hello everyone, for this experiment we're going to need different colors of food coloring. For this experiment, we are using the red food coloring or orange food coloring. You will need some milk, a dropper, and some washing detergent. Okay, now we have to drip the stuff inside. Okay, now my friend Bebe's gonna drip the coloring. Come on, Bebe, go. Yeah. Blip, blip. Blip, blip. Blip, blip, blip. Okay, now let's go. Now drip the orange coloring. Go. Yeah. Squish. Okay, that's all of it. Drip the stuff inside.
Now look!
And make this milk undrinkable.
It's already undrinkable.
Another one. Ah. Ah. Wow. Pew. Another one here. Ah.
Ew.
Miss.
I want to drip.
Okay, Bebe can drip too. Drip. Push hard. Yeah, let them mix. Get one here, because there's a lot there. Come on, Bebe.
Bebe's gonna drop.
Ooh, everything's mixing. Let me drop one more. Okay, so now we observe that the inks of various colors just spread out. This happens because the dishwashing liquid can break down fats. So when the dishwashing liquid makes contact with the milk, it breaks down the fats in the milk and causes the colors to spread out. The difference in the surface tension between the soap and the milk also makes the ink spread out faster. It's still moving, see?